Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Tether from Uphold to Bitmart in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between exchanges like Uphold and Bitmart can help you manage your portfolio more effectively. Whether you're diversifying investments or just moving funds, this process is straightforward once you know the steps. But remember, crypto transactions involve risks like fees and potential delays, so always double-check everything. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Bitmart, and that you have some Tether in your Uphold wallet. Start by logging into your Uphold account securely. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select the Tether, USDT, you want to transfer. You'll see an option to withdraw or send, click that. Next, head over to your Bitmart account and go to the deposit section. Find your USDT wallet address. It's usually under the deposit tab for the specific network, like Tron or Ethereum, since Tether can be on multiple blockchains. Copy that address carefully. Double check for any typos because that's crucial to avoid losing your funds. Now, back in Uphold, paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field. Select the network that matches what Bitmart is using for USDT to ensure compatibility. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send, but don't forget to account for any network fees. Review all the details one last time, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to reflect in your Bitmart account, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, verify the balance in your Bitmart wallet to make sure everything went smoothly. And that's it, you've successfully transferred Tether from Uphold to Bitmart. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have other transfer questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.